Hi, my name is Travis Torme. I'm a criminal defense lawyer in New Jersey. Today I'm going to talk to you about gun cases. My client was a United States Marine who was recently back from several tours in Iraq and Afghanistan. He was living with his girlfriend in Jersey City. There was a domestic violence incident where they had an argument. The police were called, and he actually suited up in his gear and had his firearm weapon, obviously, I think it was multiple weapons, with him, on him in the house when the police came. They subdued him, no shots were fired, nothing like that, and he was arrested for unlawful possession of a weapon and possession of a weapon with an unlawful purpose, both second-degree charges. He had no prior record, but the initial plea offer, as it always is, was 5 years New Jersey State Prison, 3 years without parole. My client suffered from PTSD from his time in the military and his time serving his country abroad. He also had alcohol issues, which led to obviously increased problems in terms of arguments with his girlfriend and the behavior on that date. I was able to get him into an inpatient rehab facility where he dealt with those alcohol issues and where he also received counseling for his PTSD. He did, I think, 90 days in an inpatient rehab, and during that time I was able to convince the prosecutor that he was a perfect candidate for a Graves Act waiver. She petitioned the Attorney General, she got the approvals through her office, and they petitioned the Attorney General, who agreed to allow a departure from the typical offer, and he was sentenced to probation. The presiding judge of the criminal division in Hudson County signed off on the plea. We put him into probation, and I was able to keep him out of prison. His mother, who hired me, was extremely satisfied with this result, as well as obviously my client. This is just one of the ways that I can potentially challenge, attack, beat, or negotiate a positive result with your gun case. Now, just because you're not a United States Marine, you didn't serve your country abroad, and you don't have these PTSD or alcohol-related issues, it doesn't mean that I won't be able to negotiate a similar result in your case. It's all based on the circumstances, where the weapon was, whether or not it was a domestic issue, whether it was used in any unlawful manner, pointed at someone or threatened to be used against someone or not, if it was in a case in your trunk, things like that. Obviously, all these circumstances contribute to whether or not the prosecution and myself can work out a favorable plea offer in your case. On the other hand, if it's an illegal search or an illegal traffic stop and there's a way that I can get the case thrown out entirely, we will do that first. If you'd like to see any of the ways that I attack and potentially beat gun charges in New Jersey, click the video links below. You can also visit my website, www.criminallawyerinnj.com, or you can call me anytime for a free consultation. I'm happy to talk to you about your case.